I had to make a stop in Blairsville to fix a squeaky wheel on the Ram van. But while I was waiting on parts, I decided to head down to Vogel State Park. Vogel State Park is Georgia's second oldest park. It was established back in 1931 and sits at the base of Blood Mountain, which is the highest summit on the Appalachian Trail in Georgia. I tried to hike up to the summit one afternoon, but ran out of daylight.
Here we go again. Bear Alley. All hikers are 500 feet lower in elevation. I have no bear spray. Pretty sure they're trying to fill up right now for winter. Oh, and I'm on Blood Mountain, so see how this all pans out. I don't know what that is, but it almost looks fake.
Spend the evening coming up with an itinerary for tomorrow.
Just wanted to see that.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know they were out yet.
Yeah. Is that a
250, yeah.
I got one of those too.
Do you really?
Yeah, I love that bike.
Yeah, it's good. I got an 800 GS at home and I'm like, that's on my short list.
Yeah, I would just see.
Alright, I will hold y'all up. I just wanted to stop and say, hey, y'all enjoy your day. It's gonna be a good one.
There's tons of unpaved options, but I'm checking out a dual sport GPS route I had saved.
Okay, so this has been scouted. I don't know if this is the hole the guy was talking about. I don't see tracks, so I'm gonna guess not, but it looks real deep. But it looks like there's a little ridge there to the left I can catch. Unbelievable. Alright, we're out. That's okay. My sock's wet. What is up with this? Oh! Damn it. Alright, well. At least y'all got a video clip. Alright, so I have to go back in the water. Probably. Son of a motherfucker. Laugh all you want, people. Ah! Yeah! I can't get that load off bad. Ready, set, yep, legs. That back. Bear box is on the other side. Ah.
The whole day is spent switching between twisty paved stuff and a maze of spectacular forest roads. I finally make it back to camp after a long day in the saddle. I take a nice hot shower and share some trail mix with the neighborhood squirrel. Vogel was all booked up for the next couple days, so I head over to Lake Winifield recreation area. It's like Yellowwood. The water's almost black. Alright, so this is Lake Winifield at Winfield State Park. That's a federal park, actually. Anyway, I've got it all to myself, just the way I like it. If I'm gonna stay at a state park or just organized campground, I try and go during the week. One, especially during the fall, a lot of them are booked up, and then two, you get this lovely benefit, which is basically treating the place like it's your own, which is my favorite. And then there's the glorious stretch of pavement over there. That is 180 that goes south, then you go down and catch 60, equally amazing, and then you can come back up 19
And it's a ripper of a loop. Been riding that for almost 20 years, I think. First time we came down here. Beautiful area. This has been the whole trail. Big old wide uphill. Let's see. Sky's lovely. Here we go. Will it be spectacular? Blah, 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 blah. Appalachian Trail, seasonal camping regulation. Alright, AT hiker says that's 18. Sun's up.
Yeah, I know, no GoPro, but this was an impromptu ride and I wanted to give you all a taste of State Road 60.
Okay, I've got to get off of this mountain, but check out this view.
Well, that's just another little slice of beautiful North Georgia. I'm including a few photos, a thanks for watching, and a happy holidays to you and yours. Next episode may include the last couple stops before heading south for winter, the first of which is my favorite campsite so far. Make sure you check back.